Get ready to unleash the power with our high-performance electric bike, designed for speed, comfort, and convenience. Let's explore what makes this a bike the ultimate ride for adventurers and city commuters alike. Experience the thrill of a 1500W brushless motor, propelling you to impressive speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. With 80 Nm of torque, it effortlessly conquers 30-degree slopes, giving you the power to reach your destination with ease. Ride comfortably and safely with 26 by 4-inch fat tires, providing excellent traction on any surface. The dual suspension system smooths out bumps, while hydraulic dual brakes, bright LED lights, and an easy-to-read LCD display ensure your ride is secure and informed. Equipped with a UL-certified 48V20Ah removable and lockable battery, this Ebike offers long-lasting performance. Charge quickly in just 4 to 6 hours and enjoy an impressive range of up to 55 miles. Designed for durability, it's IP54 waterproof, perfect for all weather conditions. Conquer any terrain with the 21-speed gear system featuring Shimano 3-speed front derailleur and Shimano 7-speed rear derailleur. Experience smooth and precise gear shifting for optimal riding on any path. Perfect for city commuting, this foldable Ebike offers easy portability. Front and rear mudguards keep you clean on daily rides, while the phone mount and charging port add convenience. Plus, the rear rack is ideal for shopping or carrying packages. With its powerful performance, unmatched comfort, and practical features, this electric bike is your ideal companion for any journey. Whether you're conquering steep hills or navigating city streets, ride with confidence and style. Ready to transform your ride? Get the ultimate electric bike today and experience the freedom of unparalleled performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting reviews and tips. Ride on, and see you on the road.